How to download Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now all you have to do is to go ahead and open up your browser right here on your iPhone devices or your iPads, and once inside, you can just go ahead and search for Epic Game Store. Go ahead and open up the website, which is store.epicgames.com, and once inside this page, you can just go ahead and navigate through the three dots at the corner of your screen, and from here you want to go ahead and click on install. And as you can go ahead and see, we can now install Epic Game Store on our iOS device. You can just go ahead and click on it, but unfortunately Epic Game Store is only available for European Union customers, but soon enough Epic Games will be released worldwide, and in that way you will be able to install Fortnite inside the Epic Game Store. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.